In this video, I'm going to teach you how to change flags in Heart of Iron 4. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. You can easily customize the flags that are in Hearts of Iron 4 with this specific method. For this method, you will download a file that will replace the flag for you, okay? So I'm not going to go over the whole process of making a custom flag. If that's what you want to achieve, then the process is going to be longer, and I can't showcase it with this video alone. What you have to do is download the files like I mentioned. There are plenty of places where you can download mods. I recommend using SkyMods, but you can look for mods on any website. As you can see, these two mods will get these flags on the left and replace them with the ones on the right. So all that you have to do is download them. You can usually find these mods on the Steam Workshop as well if you prefer. Either way, just click on the option to download, and usually you will receive a zip file that contains all of the flags that they are going to be replacing. You can usually tell by the name structure here which flag is going to be substituted. And then they will have these two folders that refer to different resolutions for the flags. So all that you have to do is grab all of these files and place them inside of the Hearts of Iron 4 folder. So go over to where Hearts of Iron 4 is installed on your computer, find GFX, and then flags. So inside of the flags folder, this is where you will drag and drop all of these files with the new flags. Make sure that you replace the pre-existing ones, okay? So if you add them as a copy, it isn't going to work. You need to replace them altogether. Upon doing this, the new flags from the mods will be used instead of the default ones inside of the game. So all that you have to do is drag and drop these files inside. If you ever want to repair it, you just have to verify the integrity of the game files, and the original ones will be substituted again. So I hope I was able to help you. If this video helped you, please consider subscribing. As you can see, according to our channel metrics, 83% of the people watching our videos are not subscribed. By subscribing, you can help us make higher quality videos. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.